Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create the glitch text effect in CapCut. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do, you can start to choose the black picture in the library over here as the base or the background. For example, this one, and click add. And after that, I will also remove this ending, and I will slightly enlarge or lengthen the duration, let's say to become 10 seconds. And after that, you can start to add the text down here. And for example, I will start to give the text, "Are you ready?" like this. And after that, you can also adjust the font style or the fonts over here. For example, I will choose this Fervent. And after that, I will go back to this template, and for example, I will choose New Era. And I will slightly make this text smaller and apply to it. So this will be the text we have. And you can also lengthen this text. For example, until 6 seconds. And after that, I will start to export it. But to make it the free version, I will reduce the pixel to become this one, and also inactivate the AI Ultra HD and export, and kindly wait for the result first. And after that, you can go back to this project, and you can remove this all, remove the black background and also the text. And after that, you can start to import or put this exported text into this project. So why did you make it into the exported file first? So it will make it the effect or put the effect easily, guys. And for example, I will start to give the effects over here and give the video effect. And if you don't find this static morph, you can simply find the glitch effect. And for example, I will choose this one. And I will apply to it. And I will apply this or position this effect into the less of this text. For example, like this. And after that, you can also add the another effects. For example, I will choose the holographic if it exists. And you can also play with this holo scan, for example, and put it forward. So this gonna be perfect if you would like to make it as your opening video, guys. And after that, I will start to reduce the duration. So in the first step, I make it into the 10 second just in case if the duration is too short. So if I make it longer, so it can be reduced easily. And maybe for the last effect, I will give the closing or the outro. So I will put it beside this static morph, and I will start to reduce the duration. So this will be the result. So that's all guys, this is the glitch text effect we have, and we can make it easily with this CapCut. And I hope this video finds you helpful, and don't forget to try this tutorial. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.